This brand is made in Japan and offers models that have digital controls, and they can be purchased through their Amazon store. The units can be Wi-Fi enabled with the addition of an option kit, and they are backed by a very good guarantee. The Performance Plus series offers standard efficiency water heaters in 3 sizes for either indoor or outdoor installation. They feature concentric venting and have a remote control, but their guarantee is not as good as the high-efficiency models. The Performance Platinum series offers high-efficiency units with a built-in recirculation pump to have ready hot water at the tap, which reduces water consumption and waste. They have built-in gas and water leak detectors, and they have an 11-gallon per minute capacity with a 0.93 efficiency. The Ikonic series offers super high-efficiency models with a 0.96 efficiency and a 8.4 GPM capacity, as well as built-in Wi-Fi control. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.